Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Unice, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the information, details, and links provided there, as well as a discount code. So if you guys want to save 10% off of your purchases, as well as to receive a free silk robe, use my code, which is Nice Lace, to receive that. So here's everything that I got with my wig per usual, but let's go ahead and get into the wig. So the wig that I have is their 13 by 4 inch transparent lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. It's in that kinky curly texture, and it does once again have that 13 by 4 inch transparent lace. My wig is 24 inches long and it's about 150% density. This wig also has lightly bleached knots as well as a removable adjustable strap, and once again this is what it looks like. Now I will be further customizing this wig just because the knots weren't really to my liking. So I'm going to go in using my quick blue bleach as well as my 20 volume developer, and I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots. So one good thing about this wig is that it already comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are already semi-bleached. Well, it just sort of has like a bleach stripe going down the middle in case you want to wear it in the middle part. So if you are a beginner and you don't necessarily have a care in the world to make your wig look realistic, this wig definitely is ready to go. You guys take a look at that hairline. It's pre-plucked. It looks really good. However, this step is definitely for those of you guys out there who want to take your wig to the next level and make it just, you know, kind of fit your own personal aesthetic. I will be plucking the hairline just to remove a little bit of density, and I did decide on wearing this wig in a side part position just because I wanted to kind of give a, you know, different type of look, because you guys all know that my signature look would be the middle part, but I kind of been liking my side parts lately. So once again, I am just tweezing behind the hairline to remove some density. Then you guys are going to see me go in and redefine these gorgeous curls, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that.
It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon, but you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like, cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you unless you found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in this shit, everything just
So pretty much my wig sat and air dried overnight, and this is what it looks like. If you're in a rush, you can definitely use a diffuser to dry your wig, but mine pretty much just sat on my canvas block and just dried overnight. Now, one thing with transparent lace is like it's never going to blend in with my skin tone, so definitely have a liquid foundation on hand. I'm using a shade that's about one tone darker than my skin tone, and I'm just applying that all over the lace, making sure that you get along the hairline as well, because that's the part that's going to show up on your forehead. So my hair is in cornrows, and I'm just going to put it underneath a stocking cap and try to get my hair as flat as possible. This is pretty much going to do for now until I learn how to braid in a beehive. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on.
In the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I could love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark, she no, they do me, she get. You wanna come on, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette.
Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all, let me know what you guys think. Get into this realistic looking hairline. The part looks super good as well. Now, one thing with this wig is that it's super soft and flowy. Now, you can get some more definition with these curls. I just kind of wish that it had more definition just along the parting area, and then it would have just literally been such a phenomenal wig. But I just love the flowiness of the wig. It's super soft. I love the texture. Now, once again, you guys check out Unice. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Be sure to use my discount code, which is Nice Lace, to get a free silk robe as well as to save 10% off of your purchases. Do also keep in mind that Unice accepts AfterPay, so you can definitely break up your payments into 6 equal payments. And also keep in mind that they do have free 48-hour delivery for you guys, my subbies. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.